Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unfriending people on PubG Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Go to the main dashboard, then tap the Friends area on the left. In the Friends list area, tap the 3 lines button at the top right, and then select Batch Manage. Now you just need to select the friends you want to delete, or if you want to unfriend multiple people, you can select up to 50 people at once. Once you have done that, tap Delete from the bottom. You will now get a pop-up asking to confirm the deletion of these friends. Tap OK if you're sure. That person will no longer be your friend. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PubG tips and tricks.